God is preparing you for greater. 1 Peter 5:10. What if I told you? The pain you're feeling right now isn't punishment, it's preparation. You're not being buried, you're being planted. Because God is preparing you for something greater than what you lost. We all go through seasons that don't make sense, disappointments, delays, heartbreaks, and unanswered prayers. And in those moments, it's easy to think, God, where are you? But 1 Peter 5:10 reminds us, after you have suffered a little while, the God of all grace will himself restore you and make you strong, firm, and steadfast. That means this season is not the end, it's part of your becoming. God often uses difficult seasons to prepare you for what he's promised. He's not punishing you, he's positioning you. You see, before David became king, he was alone in the fields. Before Joseph reached the palace, he faced betrayal and prison. Before Jesus began his ministry, he endured 40 days in the wilderness. Every great purpose comes with a preparation process. And sometimes, that preparation looks like waiting, pruning, or even loss. But listen, what you're going through now is training you for the weight of what is coming next. God is refining your character, strengthening your faith, and teaching you to trust him when nothing makes sense. So instead of asking, God, why me? Start saying, God, prepare me. Because when you shift your focus from the pain to the purpose, you begin to see his hand even in the hard places. Every tear, every prayer, every closed door, it's working for your good. You're not behind. You're right where God wants you to be. Don't give up now, you're closer than you think. When the time is right, God will reveal why you had to go through it. And when he does, you'll realize every delay, every disappointment, every detour was part of your destiny. You may not see it yet, but God is preparing you for greater. If you believe God is preparing you for something greater, type "I'm ready, Lord" in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread the word and encourage someone who feels like giving up. Remember, this is not your ending, it's your equipping. God is getting you ready for greater things ahead.